Let's see. So first of all, we must remember then this is 0 degree. If we here, then this is 90 degree. This one is 180 degree. This one is 270 degree. If we another move, then it is 360 degree. Okay, and we also know that this is the first quadrant, this one is second quadrant, this one is third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. Okay, in the first quadrant all the trigonometric ratio are positive. In the second quadrant we must have to remember all the sine and cosec are positive, rest trigonometric ratio are negative. In the third quadrant tan and cot are positive, rest are negative. In the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. If we see 0 degree, 180 degree or 360 degree, then the trigonometric ratio must be no change, that means remains same. But if we see 90 degree or 270 degree, then the trigonometric ratio must be changed. What is the changes? The changes is, if we see sine of theta, then this sine of theta is converted into cos of theta, but this cos is also converted in sine theta. If we talk about tan theta, then tan theta is converted into cot theta, and cot theta is also converted in tan theta. If we say cosec theta, then it is converted into sec theta, and sec theta is also converted into cosec theta. Plus sign, then we must have to move anti-clockwise direction. Okay, if we see minus, then we must have to clockwise direction. Okay, is the value of sine 90 minus of theta. So first of all we must have to remember that first decide quadrant. Okay, next we must have to decide what is the sine, and third one is change or no change. These three things we must have to decide. So if we talk about sine 90 minus theta, then what is the process? The process is, first we have to decide what is the quadrant, that means 90 minus theta in which quadrant lies. So here 90 and minus. So first of all we go at the 90 and minus. Minus means clockwise direction. So we move 90 minus, that means clockwise direction, and we reached in the first quadrant, that means this is in the first quadrant. Now in the first quadrant all the trigonometric ratio are positive, so here we assign a sign plus to be positive. So firstly we decide quadrant, after that we take a sign and then see whether it is change or no change. So we see 90, here 90. So if we take 90, that means change. What is the changes? Sign will be changed in cos. So we here write cos, and this theta will be always here cos theta. So the formula is sin 90 minus theta is equal to plus of cos theta. Let's take another example. If we say what is the value of sec 90 plus theta. Okay, so again repeat these steps. First decide quadrant, so 90 plus, so we take 90 and plus means anti-clockwise direction movement. So 90 and anti-clockwise movement, we reach in the second quadrant. We see in the second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, rest are negative. So here sine and cosec is not present, so here take a sign minus. And what is the value of this 90? 90 means change. So sec will be changed in cosec. So here write cosec theta. Okay, let's take another example. If we say what is the value of tan 180 minus theta. Okay, so first of all we must have to decide in which quadrant this lies. So what is the quadrant 180 minus? So 180 minus means clockwise direction, so we move clockwise direction, we reach in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, rest are negative. So tan, that means here take a minus sign. 180, here 180, that means no change. No change means tan, usually write here theta. So the value of tan 180 minus theta is equal to minus of tan theta. Okay friends.